Starting a fitness journey can be intimidating, especially if you're a beginner. However, with the right approach, exercise can become an enjoyable and rewarding part of your daily routine. In this article, we will discuss 6 effective ways for beginners to exercise and kickstart their fitness journey. These activities are simple, adaptable, and can be tailored to your fitness level, making them perfect for those just starting out. 1. Walking. Walking is an excellent exercise for beginners as it is low impact, accessible, and requires no special equipment. Start by incorporating short walks into your daily routine and gradually increase your duration. Aim for at least 30 minutes of brisk walking most days of the week. As your fitness improves, you can explore different routes, increase your pace, or even include hiking as a more challenging variation. 2. Strength training. Strength training is crucial for building muscle, increasing metabolism, and improving overall strength. Begin with bodyweight exercises such as squats, lunges, push-ups, and planks. These exercises can be done at home or in a gym. Start with 2 to 3 sessions per week, focusing on different muscle groups each time. As you progress, you can gradually introduce dumbbells, resistance bands, or weight machines to add more resistance. 3. Cycling. Cycling is a fun and low-impact cardiovascular exercise that engages your leg muscles and helps improve endurance. Whether you choose an outdoor bike or an indoor stationary bike, cycling offers a versatile workout option. Begin with shorter rides at a comfortable pace and gradually increase the duration and intensity. Joining a cycling group or exploring scenic routes can add excitement and motivation to your rides. For yoga and Pilates. Yoga and Pilates are excellent choices for beginners looking to improve flexibility, balance, and core strength. These practices focus on controlled movements and mindful breathing. Start with beginner-friendly classes or follow instructional videos online. Yoga and Pilates can be practiced at home or in a studio, and there are various styles to suit different preferences. Consistency and proper form are key to reaping the benefits of these practices. 5. Swimming. Swimming is a full-body workout that is gentle on the joints, making it ideal for beginners. It helps improve cardiovascular fitness, muscle strength, and endurance. If you're new to swimming, consider taking lessons or practicing in a supervised environment. Start with shorter swim sessions, gradually increasing the distance or time spent in the water. As your technique and confidence improve, you can experiment with different strokes and even try water aerobics classes. 6. Group fitness classes. Group fitness classes provide a supportive and motivating environment for beginners. Whether it's Zumba, aerobics, dance, or kickboxing, these classes offer a structured workout with an instructor to guide you. They are designed to accommodate various fitness levels, allowing you to modify exercises based on your abilities. Participating in group classes can make exercising more enjoyable and help you stay committed to your fitness goals. Embarking on a fitness journey as a beginner doesn't have to be overwhelming. By incorporating these 6 exercise options into your routine, you can ease into a regular workout regimen and gradually improve your fitness level. Remember to start at a comfortable pace, listen to your body, and stay consistent. With time and dedication, you'll be amazed at the progress you can achieve and the positive impact it will have. Thank you for visiting. If you like this video, please press follow, press like, and share for me too. See you again.